Welcome back to our channel, students. In the last video we have discussed paragraph number 2 and paragraph number 3. I hope you are clear with that. If you have any doubts, please write that doubts in the comment section. I will answer for that. Yes, today let's begin fourth paragraph. Okay. Okay, see, before we go into that, let's learn the new words. Take apart. First one is take apart. Take apart means what? Take away. Take away. Slot. Slot means what? A given space, a particular space or time or position. Then gear, adjusted to a particular standard level, highest level. Okay. Then let's begin. He was a round little man with a red face. Yeah, who was that? He was a this statement. He was a round little man with a red face. This statement is refers to the county inspector, the one who came to repair that computer. Okay, and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. He came with a toolbox. The toolbox was full of dials and wires. Yes, he smiled at Margie and gave her an apple. Yes, he looked at Margie and gave an apple to her. Then took the teacher apart, took that particular thing from that computer out, away. Then Margie had hoped he would not know how to put it together again. What Margie was thinking? Margie was thinking that she thought the county inspector was unable to fix the problem, what had happened there, right? But what had happened here? He knew how, all right. Yes, the county inspector, the one who came to her home to fix that computer, he was knowing everything, how to fix it, right? So for that reason, what he has done, after an hour or so, there it was again. See, it means what? After an hour, what he has done, he has completely restored or repaired it, right? Then what happened? There it was again the lessons were started. A large and black and ugly with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. So he fixed that all the required things to that computer. For that, what she was saying, that computer was a black, a large one, a black one, and totally ugly one, right? Then the screen of the computer was very big, so she hated it a lot. Yes, and she was very upset because that computer always gives questions to her, right? Then that wasn't too bad. That wasn't too bad. See here, that wasn't too bad means what? Yes, the computer was not too bad. That slot which gives a lesson to her, that was bad, right? Then the part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. Yes, she hated a lot. Which one? Slot, because where in that place she supposed to put her homework and she supposed to take the lessons from that, right? She always had to write them out in a punch code. They made her learn when she was 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. See here, when she was 6 years old, she has learned something that called coding, a punching machine. Through that punching codes, she supposed to answer to that particular question which was asked by the computer. For that reason, she hated it a lot. Then that computer was too fast. Now also computers are fast. So imagine in the 2157, right? In that year, it's unimaginable how computers will be, right? So without taking any delay, the computer calculated and give the marks to her like that. Then let's go to the fifth paragraph. Yes, here the difficult word is satisfactory. Satisfactory means acceptable. It's good one. It means disappointed. Disappointed means what? Extremely sad. Sad. Okay. Then let's begin. The inspector, the county inspector, the one who came to repair that computer, right, had smiled after means he saw at her and smiled, and he was finished and patted Margie's, patted, that patting, right, patted Margie's head and he said to her mother, "It's not the little girl's fault, Mr. Jones, Mistress Jones. I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick." So what he said, what the county inspector said, it's not, the problem which was happened. No, she was not doing well in that geography section because that's not her problem. That problem had happened due to that lesson was geared up. It means it's jumped to the next level. Jump to the next level so quickly. That's what she was unable to do, right? It was not up to her age. It was more than her capacity. That's what she was doing less in the geography section. He explained to Mistress John. Then, yeah, those things happened sometimes. That mistakes happen sometimes. I have slowed it up to an average 10-year level. So what he said to her mother, he said, now I brought it down to the down level, or the least level, up to the 10 years old children level, so she can do now properly. Then actually the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory. Her performance in that test and learning is really acceptable. Then he patted Margie's head again. Margie was disappointed. Yes, Margie was sad. Why? Let's see. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. Yes, what she thought when the county inspector came, she thought the county inspector would take away this teacher only. She thought like that because once the same problem had happened to the Tommy also. That time what county inspector had done, he had taken out completely, for one month. She also thought like that. Now mine also would take away for 1 month like that, but it has not happened, right? Let's see then. So she said to Tommy, why would anyone write about school? See, now she just told her, now I saw Kasimov, what he has done, he has explained us why the little Margie used to hate the school. Okay, now she asked, came back to the present situation. Now she said to Tommy, why would anyone write about the school? Because the third paragraph, what had happened, she asked to him, what is it about that book was, what is it about that book? When she asked for that, again he replied to her, it's about the school. Now here again she asked the question to Tommy, why would anyone write about the school? Okay, yes, until this, I hope you understood. If you have any problems, please write in the comment section. In the description below I have given my number. If you have any doubt, please contact me. Let me answer there also. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I want you to please focus on your studies, because it's very difficult to learn from the home. That's what. Don't waste your time. Stay focused. Yes, have a good day. Thank you.